Hello beauties, welcome again to Women Styles. Today we have the short haircuts for beautiful African American women, because this haircut today are chic and the other hairstyle that's always looking modern, and is a haircut for beautiful matured women, because you can see that the styles will always make you younger looking and it will take many years off your age. And one thing with the style on the screen is that it's a versatile haircut that will suit your personal style. One thing with the style, you will always stay in style and it's always modified to suit your preferences. So one thing I love about this hair is that it will always add texture to your hair, and is that hairstyle that will make you look fresh and fun. So I love this haircut and it's so easy to achieve. It will definitely turn eyes in every occasion. Just let your envy inducing love, with this beautiful hairstyle make you, work this haircut with all confidence and with all dignity, because you can see how the hair looks so beautiful and sassy. I just love this haircut because it really complements the complexion very well, and it's the haircut that is a wash and go short hairstyle that will give every woman a simple everyday look that is easy to style. I love the style too, because one thing about the style is that it's quite fashionable for both the middle-aged women, the younger women, and also for the older women. You can see how the coils are really chic, and you can see how it gives your hair fullness and a unique definition. So for black women, those short hairstyles like this are the easiest to maintain. So with this, let me just let you guys serve out the styles we have. I want to appreciate my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and see you in my next video.